At sunrise, the sugar apple orchard slowly reveals its abundance. Row after row, the sugar apple trees stand in perfect order. Harvested sugar apples already line the orchard floor at first light.
Commercial sugar apple production begins with uniform sugar apple planting material because orchard balance depends on consistent sugar apple starts. In a sugar apple orchard, spacing matters early because every sugar apple tree must carry fruit without crowding light or airflow.
As the sugar apple orchard matures, the sugar apple tree first builds canopy, branch structure, and balance before it carries fruit.
Sugar apple fruit begins with flowers on the sugar apple branch, where the orchard shifts from structure into reproduction.
Once fruit sets, the sugar apple orchard shifts from flowering into protecting even sugar apple development across every row.
A mature sugar apple orchard has to stay accessible because harvest depends on clean lanes as much as healthy sugar apple fruit.
Harvest timing in a sugar apple orchard becomes a logistics decision because ripe sugar apple fruit must move quickly and gently.
Mature sugar apple orchards rely on coordinated movement because fruit handling and lane timing shape the pace of harvest.
After harvest, the sugar apple still depends on careful handling because the segmented skin and soft flesh bruise easily.
Milestone. Even after harvest, the sugar apple orchard remains active because the next sugar apple cycle begins with
A sugar apple orchard never fully becomes still because water, recovery, and the next sugar apple cycle continue beyond harvest. From propagation to packing, the sugar apple orchard reveals a complete process where timing, structure, and handling shape every fruit. This is how a modern sugar apple orchard turns careful planting, water, structure, and handling into a complete sugar apple harvest.